if you happen to find yourself in a 2008 Toyota Highlander, as most people do, and the back tailgate won't open when you hit the automatic switch, and it just does two beeps, kind of like this. Even when you take the key and hit the switch on that, then all you need to do is go to the glove box and hit that little button right there and press it back in. Then you've got yourself a working back hatch. You're welcome.